Camila and you're watching my channel One Color Food. Today I'm gonna cook white melon milkshake. I'm gonna use the following ingredients. I have here only 2 ingredients of one color. 150 grams of peel and diced white melon, and 1 glass of milk. I use rice milk. You may use any kind of milk that you have. Use blender to mix all ingredients thoroughly. White melon milkshake is ready. So let's try it. It's so tasty, healthy and sweet. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put your thumbs up, leave your comments below and subscribe. And remember, cook with love and enjoy your meal. Bye!